Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna help you with how to fix the Facebook friend request problem, that is you can't send friend request on Facebook. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you can do is you can simply check for any updates available, because sometimes when we use any outdated version of the application we see these types of errors and bugs. So you just have to open your Google Play Store or your App Store, and there in the search bar you need to search for Facebook. Now as you can see that in my Facebook account I have an update available, so you just have to tap on update if you see any update available for your Facebook account, and then you just have to simply open your Facebook application and try to send the friend request and check whether this problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then the second thing that you can try is you can simply open the settings of your device, and then you just have to scroll down, and here you need to select the apps option. After that, tap on manage apps, and here in the search bar you need to search for Facebook. Now once you are able to find the Facebook application, you need to tap on it, then go to storage and select clear cache, and then press OK. So once you clear the cache of your Facebook application, you just have to simply launch it and try to send request and check whether the problem is fixed or not. If the issue still persists, then I would recommend you to simply uninstall your Facebook application, but you need to make sure that you remember your login credentials. Then you just have to simply download and reinstall it in your device again, and after logging into your account you are definitely gonna fix this issue. I hope this video helped you out, and if it does, then do let me know in the comment section. Consider subscribing to this channel as well. Thanks for watching.